Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jessica, and today I am sharing a little bit about my DIY bridesmaids gifts. It's been super popular nowadays to have not only a proposal from your boo, but proposing to your bridesmaids and the people you want to join you in your wedding party. So today I'm going to share a little bit about the items I'm going to be putting in my DIY version of a bridesmaids proposal box. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. I post vlogs about my life in the Bay Area and, of course, wedding content. If you're returning, thank you. Let's go and let's make these proposals happen. I really want to pamper my bridesmaids, so I'm starting with a couple of items that should give them that relaxing and beautifying feeling. The first one is bath bombs. So I went ahead and just purchased a bunch of them off of Amazon, of course, and because there are 6 in this box and I've got 3 bridesmaids, I'm going to give them 2 each. Following in that same vein, ordered a bunch of little mini candles off of Amazon, and again, I'm just going to put 1 in each little gift basket. Another custom element I'm going to add is candy. So the story about candy is, actually when I was a bridesmaid, the morning of my friend's wedding, she handed us all little gift bags with like pajamas and cosmetic bags, but where she customized was like the piece of candy that she gave to each of us. Our thing was always Sour Patch Kids. We were kind of like a match made in heaven because I like the red and green, she likes the yellow and orange. So we opened up the bag and split it, and I thought it was just like a really nice and sweet gesture to give her bridesmaids something that both was kind of sentimental but also custom for them. So I'm definitely going to be including some candies specific to each of my bridesmaids in their boxes. Now I'm going to work on assembling the boxes. So I just picked up a couple little boxes. These came from Daiso, but you can definitely go to like a Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, any store like that, or you can get them online. I'm going to build one off of this marble box. So taking the cover off, I have some of that gift filler, which actually came in another present, but I'm just going to reuse it because save the planet. I'm going to start by laying in a base of it. Then I will put in the 2 bath bombs. Just kind of nestle them in there. Drop in the candle. Then for this box, I'm putting in some Asian candies. Kind of fill in any gaps with extra filler. I might angle the candle a little bit just to give it some height and dimension and to match with the candy. And then the very last item is a card. So you could either put the card in here, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the box, put the card on top, and then wrap it with some ribbon. And there you have it, my DIY bridesmaids gifts. You've seen all the contents of the basket, as well as how I packaged and put it all together and personalized it. And if you subscribe now and turn on the notification bell, hopefully the next video or one of the next few videos will be asking my bridesmaids and getting their reactions on camera. I love watching those videos, and I hope my friends will want to get those reactions out there too, and I can share them with you. Let me know if you built your own DIY proposal boxes, or if you went with like a company. What would you like to see if you were being asked to be a bridesmaid in your proposal box? Let me know in the comments below.